Dear ladies and gentlemen, watch carefully as I will explain to you the danger of pop-ups that derive from this website, Mountaryyourse.info. It says just one more step, allow to continue. Some people may be easily tricked by such alerts, and the point is that it's a danger for you to interact with them. Sometimes you might think that it will be okay if you click on the allow button, as these alerts suggest. However, doing this way is a serious mistake, and it may lead to a lot of devastating consequences. For example, your browser may be hijacked and infected with a lot of malicious applications. Therefore, you should not click on the allow button, and if you have done so by mistake, your browser will be hijacked. So I'll show you how to deactivate those pop-ups manually. Since we are dealing now with Google Chrome browser, first thing you should do is to access its menu in the form of three vertical dots, and then click on Settings. You need to scroll down to the bottom of this page and select Advanced, then Site Settings and Notifications. In the bottom of the page, find this dangerous resource over here and select Remove. Afterwards, I do recommend that you scan your Mac device with the reliable security software for Mac, and that's Combo Cleaner for Mac. That's the antivirus specifically for Mac. You may download it through the website combocleaner.com by means of this green download Combo Cleaner button. And once you install it, start it from the launchpad and click on Start Combo Scan button. Keep in mind that the program may initially update its antivirus database, and you should not actually cancel that process because it's very important that the database is always properly updated. So you simply need to wait until all these threads are found. Some of them may be found immediately, or it could be that you will not find any threads at all, or there may be some other threads to come. Combo Cleaner will detect all of them, and you may remove them manually by deleting them from the locations that Combo Cleaner will tell you about, or you may do it automatically with the help of the premium version of Combo Cleaner. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.